Alright, I got a very small Walmart haul, and I had something here. I have no idea. I didn't order this. And the girl said that they put it in her car. She doesn't have another delivery, and I'm like, so I gotta check. I hope they didn't charge me for it because I didn't order it. Whatever this thing is for. Glass wall shelf. I have no clue. Oh my goodness. Walmart. I got some dry eye relief because for, I'd say, 20 years, I've had very dry eyes. I went to an eye doctor because my eyes were hurting so bad. And this is what he said was the problem, and told me to do dry eyes. I do dry eye drops every day since. I'm hoping that there's a better way than that now, but I haven't been to an eye doctor in years. Anyways, I bought an orange. I bought some orange marmalade because I'm going to make an orange chicken. I bought some cream cheese. I'm gonna make a banana cake, and I'm gonna make a cream cheese icing to go with it. Swiss rolls, Little Debbie's, I love those things. And Swan's cake flour. Has anybody ever used this? Because I've never used cake flour before. I've always bought box, but this banana cake calls for the cake flour. So that's what I'm going to be doing with that. And if anybody knows what this is, I got to call Walmart. What in the world? What is that for? It looks like maybe for a monitor. I don't know. What the heck? Alright. Alright.